Good evening. It's been a long time since I posted my last video, more than a month. So decided to be a little more regular after this, but yeah. Let's jump on to the Nifty analysis for tomorrow. So as we can see, for the past month, more than a month, yeah, almost a month, Nifty has been making lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Now at this point, everyone must be wondering, is this a reversal yet? Because yeah, Nifty bounces a little and there is panic in the market. Oh, we are reversing this and that, blah blah. But no, we're not reversing as of yet, or not in my opinion at least, unless we can capture this value area. Now this value area, now for some context, where are we bouncing from? Let's look at that first. So if we look at this entire price action here, starting from June 28 until now, we can consider this entire price action as one range. We can classify this as one range, and if we pull the value area from this point up till now, we can see that Nifty is bouncing from the value area low, which is an obvious bouncing zone. When any asset reaches the value area low of such a large range, you can expect a little bit of bounce from there. Now, why didn't we bounce from the point of control? A lot of you must be wondering that. The reason why, because there is no liquidity zone here. There is no, if you look at this side, there is no possible liquidity zone for Nifty to take liquidity and get the jump, get the bounce from there. But if we look at this low, there is possible liquidity. A lot of buyers must have their stop losses somewhere here, because see, it has two almost equal lows here, low, this one and this one. So now Nifty took liquidity from here. It's also the value area low, and if you all know about the naked point of controls, it also had a weekly naked point of control and a daily naked point of control in this zone. So it makes it a very strong zone for reversal. Not on a bigger time frame at least, but at least on a smaller term time frame, we can expect a reversal until this zone. Now, since we did not react at the point of control, now we can expect this to be our resistance, because after all, it's the point of control of this entire price action of 2 months. So this will pose some resistance. And along with this, if we are able to capture this, which is if you want to note down the price, you can also note it down, 24,350. If we can do something like this here, a little bit of consolidation, recapture, and then move from here, then we can consider this a reversal on medium time frame, because we still have a lot of resistances on the way up. We are still in the downtrend, lower highs and lower lows. We have still not broken, Nifty has still not broken any market structure to the upside, unless we can break this high, recapture this, consolidate for a while, and then move up. Please do not consider this as a reversal, and there can be a lot more lower targets yet to come. Now, another resistance that we have up here is previous weekly levels. I have often observed that if the price goes back up to the value area low of previous week, it almost is a perfect resistance. It can happen, it can very much happen that price goes up here price can come down here first, a little bit of retracement tomorrow, and then starts traveling up, and then can take resistance from this, the point of control, and also the previous week value area low. These two are very strong resistances for now. All right, now I would suggest that you do not long up here, because there will be a lot of trapped buyers tomorrow. If I'm just trying to predict based on the facts. Do not trade based on what I'm saying, but just observe. If the price goes up here quickly and then takes rejection and comes back in, do not long that, because it can be a trap. It can very well be a trap. Even if you long it, make sure you have your stop losses in place, because reversal to the downside can happen at any time. Nifty is still not very strong. And yeah, that's just what I wanted to tell you through this video. Trade well, make sure your stop losses are in place, because Nifty is still not out of the woods yet. It can still go down. I have much lower targets, which I will not reveal just yet, but yeah, for tomorrow just keep an eye on this. Keep an eye on this 24,350 and 24,380. This is a very strong resistance zone, and you can even if you want to trade, look for a short on bounce, sell on rise, as you say. All right, thank you. That's it from my end, and hopefully I'll update you tomorrow again. I'll try to be more regular with the videos. Thank you for watching.